Hi, you've got Gary here today. I know, something different. Anyway, I would like to show you what Ebba made for my Valentine. Now, I think it's quite beautiful. Let's open it up. We'll go page by page. In the pockets, we have little things. To my sweetheart. All right, we'll try it this way. And we'll just close it down, put it in here. So that's the first page. And then there's another to my Valentine. The true love of mine, my heart is thine. Then we go here, and here's another tag in here. Oh, my Valentine. She wrote something on the back, a special message just for me. And then here's another little thing, the cat. And you saw in the video, the previous video, that it had this cat in it. And of course she wrote on the back, very nice. Oh, there's another one here. Hang on. We got two. To my Valentine. This and the giver are thine forever. And then she put a nice message on the back there. Very beautiful. Now, as I was going through here, it's just all these add-in tags are just beautiful. The little bear on top there with keys to her heart. Then it says love. And you can see the heart-shaped lock on it, and there's the keys to it. Beautiful, beautiful. And then a nice message on the back. Now, here we've got two more hidden messages. To my Valentine. Little angel with the wings. That sure ain't me. No way. Angels brought us together. Nothing can part us. It makes me feel so good. My voice is getting welled up a little bit. And as I go through and it carries on, here's another message. Secret messages all through this. And messages on the other side, personal messages. As we go to the next one, so I'm not sure what this represents, whether she'd be cooking and barefoot and cooking in there, I'm not sure. That's an old picture. Anyway, to my Valentine, and another message. Now, in most Valentines you get these days, that's the end. But then this one, look at this, there's another one at the very back. Be my love. And of course it's got a message in the back. And as I turn it over, there's more messages. And to me that represents our love for one another is never ending, and it goes on and on and on. That's the beauty of the card, but that's what it represents to me. It represents our love for each other and how it just goes on forever. I thought that was a tag in there, but it isn't. That's on the page. I don't know if this one's censored or not. It looks like a little boy though. And he is censored. He's naked. Ooh, to my Valentine. I don't know if that goes on YouTube as being obscene or what. I got to be careful on this. And of course there's a message on the back. She put a lot of work into this card. A lot more than showed in the video. And then the beautiful rose. And it says, I love you. Roses have a deep meaning for me. My mother loved roses. And so anytime I see a rose, she's gone now, but I still think of her every time I see a rose, because that was her favorite flower. You're my greatest Valentine. I like the flowers in here. They're so beautiful. And another one, to my Valentine. Ah. I must add to this one. At one time in my life, I was a professional photographer. And I had a little boy come into the studio And he had overalls on just like that. And it was his birthday, and he had just gotten them for his birthday. I thought, well, what can I do with a little boy dressed like this? So I had an old stepladder that had paint all over it, and so I gave him a paintbrush, no paint, and I gave him a little empty can of paint, and I had to make one step up on the ladder. And I took the picture, and he's looking at his mom and saying, "He told me I could go up the step." It was such a beautiful expression. That one shot, his mother just loved it. You and me, we are the definition of real love, always. See, Ebba and I have something very special. We came to each other late in life. I find that our love is something different. It's a special type of love, and it's an honest one between us. Yes, we have our arguments or whatever, but this is something that's... Now you're probably asking yourself, well, what did you do for her? Well, now, I didn't get her a card at all. And you're probably thinking, oh no, after she went all that work to build that, this is what I did do for her. And I couldn't resist it. I went in the store and I saw it, and I just had to do it. And I created this. So when June came out in the morning to sit at her desk, she had this sitting in front of her like this. It was my special way to say how much I loved her. Anyway, that's the end of this. Just showing this card, I know. Thank you so much for looking at our Valentine's Day presents to each other and how much our love is free. Thank you again, and you'll probably see Ebba in the next video. She's going to be showing you how to build something. Bye for now.